Hello audience, today I will show you how you can use SUMIF in your Excel sheet. By using SUMIF, you will easily get your desired result. So let's see how you can use SUMIF. First, select a cell, write down equal SUMIF, then press enter. Now here it will appear the formula range. Range means what the input you will write down. As I want to know my employee salary, so I want to first of all select their name, then press enter. Then criteria is where you will write down your employee's name or whatever you want. So I'll select the cell, then press the comma, then sum range. Sum range means your desired result, what you want. As I want the salary, so I will select the whole salary cells, then close the bracket and press enter. As I didn't write down anything, so it appears 0. So if I write down Jyoti's name, it will show me the total amount of Jyoti's salary. Here 10,000, 30,000, 40,000, 20,000, 50,000 and 15,000, total 75,000. So by this you can easily collect your desired result. It will help you to do your work so easy, and it will help you to find out any information you want from your long list of data. So stay tuned with me. I will show you another formula in the future. Till then, goodbye.